Prophet Moses, Prophet Muhammad, Albert Einstein. What do these prominent people have in common? All of them were refugees at some point of their lives. At home, they suffered from humiliation and discrimination. They were at risk of torture and death. This forced them to flee their houses and search a new life in safety and dignity. Unfortunately, today we still have refugees. There are 21 million refugees in the world, and every minute 23 people become refugees. Is there a way to help these people? One way to help has been through international law. As of today, 148 states have officially promised to protect refugees by becoming parties to the United Nations Convention on Refugees. But do you know that over 86% of world refugees live in developing states, without access to proper education, healthcare, decent living conditions, and employment? The danger of such protracted situation is that refugees are being stripped of their dignity and get excluded from society. So my research asks, is there a way to help refugees live in dignity? Over a 3-year period, through field and desk research, I collected and analyzed local refugee laws and practices in Europe, the Middle East, South Africa, and Asia. I wanted to understand why states promise to protect refugees but then fail to do so. My research findings have shown that equally developing and developed states disregard international law and prevent refugees from coming. My research further showed that international law is not effective in protecting refugees because the problem is not with the law, but with the perceived image of refugees. Unfortunately, today, refugees are less seen as victims of war and oppression and more as a burden on economies and a threat to public safety. So my research aims to change the image of refugees from a burden to contributors. I'm elaborating solutions that will benefit both refugees and host communities. In particular, I explore how university scholarships and business immigration routes can be used in unconventional ways to help refugees keep their dignity and contribute to society. Human dignity is not a privilege. It is a right of every human being. Also, a dignified person has more potential to create. Let refugees live in dignity and use their talents and skills, and we will see many more prominent people who will make this world better.